Hello everyone, welcome back to Andre Crafts Show. As you can see, I'm currently working on making a shawl or a scarf, and I'm using chevron stitch. If you want to know how to make this beautiful stitch, let's get started. If you are making a blankets, make sure your hook size is bigger than the recommended size for your yarn. So I'm using 4mm hook size here. The foundation chain of my chevron stitch will be a multiple of 17 chains plus 16. So basically, whatever number that you will end up, as long as it's multiple of 17, make sure your last count will be 16. Carry on making your chains and get back once you reach your desired length. If you have TikTok or Instagram, let's follow each other. You can see all the projects that I made using this beautiful simple stitch. Since I will be showing you a short version of this stitch, so I will end with 50 chains as my foundation. Once you completed your foundation chains, let's proceed to our foundation single crochet. Meaning at this point, you're going to insert your hook in the second chain and let's make single crochet all the way across. Once you're done with your foundation single crochet, let's proceed to row 1. Remember, since this is a row 1 repeat, this first row will be your base. So this is not the repeat pattern yet. I'm using a stock single crochet every time I start every row. And your chain or your stock single crochet will be counted as 1 double crochet. So that's our first double crochet. Make 6 more double crochet in the next 6 stitches. In the next stitch, we'll make 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Now make 7 double crochet in the next 7 stitches. This is now our first set. So next, we'll skip 2 stitches and insert your hook in the third one and make 7 double crochet in the next 7 stitches. So let's say each set is composed of 7 double crochet in the next 7 stitches, then double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the same stitch, and then 7 double crochet in the next stitches. So now I'm going to do a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the same stitch, then make another double crochet in the next 7 stitches. Now that's our second set. Again, skip 2, make 7 double crochet in the next 7 stitches, then double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the same stitches, then make another 7 double crochet in the next 7 stitches. Now it should look like this. In row 2, which is our repeat pattern, turn your work and make a stock single crochet, and from here and the rest of the rows we will be working in the back loop only. So that's our first double crochet. Now insert your hook in the back loop only. So I'm gonna insert my hook here and I'm gonna do a double crochet 2 together. So it means I'm decreasing. The decrease part will always be in the starting point and in the end point only. So meaning you will do only the decrease part in your first set and in your last set. So once you have that 7 double crochet in the back loop only, in that chain space make double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, and continue doing a double crochet in the back loop only. So here you must have 7 double crochet in the next 7 stitches after that chain space. So once you have that 7 double crochet in the back loop only, skip 2 stitches and continue making double crochet in the back loop only in the next 7 stitches. And again, repeat the pattern. So as you can see, I didn't do any double crochet 2 together or a decrease. And as I mentioned, you will only do a double crochet 2 together or a decrease in your first set and in your last set, so meaning in your starting point and in your end point. So since we are now in our last set or in the end point, after that double crochet chain to double crochet in the chain space, make double crochet in the next 5 stitches and then double crochet 2 together or decrease. Then make the last double crochet in the last stitch. And that's gonna be our repeat row. Let me show you one more time. Stack single crochet as your turning point and then double crochet 2 together or decrease. Then double crochet in the next stitches before the chain space. By the way, do not forget we are working in the back loop only. Double crochet, chain 2, double crochet together in the chain space and make double crochet in the back loop only in the next 7 stitches. And that's pretty much it. Continue doing so until you reach your desired length if you are making a blanket or if you are making a sweater, whatever you are making using this beautiful chevron stitch. So again, this is a scarf or a shawl and this is how it looks like once you have enough length to see the entire beauty of this stitch. I'm using 35% silk and 65% merino wool of this project. I hope you enjoy our tutorial for today. Have a nice day and God bless us all. Bye!